Step 1. Discover your passion and expertise. First things first, find your niche. What are you passionate about? What can you talk about for hours without getting bored? It could be anything from personal development, business strategies, health and wellness, to overcoming adversity. Your passion is your fuel. Step 2. Develop your unique message. Every great speaker has a unique message. What's yours? This message should be something you strongly believe in and feel that the world needs to hear. It's not just about what you say, but how you say it. Your message should resonate with your audience and leave them feeling inspired and empowered. Step 3. Master the art of public speaking. Speaking is an art, and like any art, it requires practice. Join speaking clubs like Toastmasters, attend workshops, or even hire a speaking coach. Pay attention to your body language, voice modulation, and audience engagement. Remember, even the most experienced speakers continually work on their craft. Step 4. Build your personal brand. In today's digital age, building a personal brand is crucial. Start a blog, podcast, or YouTube channel. Be active on social media platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, and Twitter. Share your thoughts, stories, and insights. Let the world see and know the real you. Step 5. Create valuable content. Content is king. Write articles, record videos, or create infographics that provide value to your audience. This content should showcase your expertise and strengthen your message. It's not just about promoting yourself, but offering something valuable that helps and inspires others. Step 6. Network and collaborate. Networking is key in the speaking world. Attend industry events, join relevant groups, and connect with other speakers and event organizers. Don't hesitate to collaborate with others for webinars or podcasts. These connections can lead to speaking opportunities. Step 7. Start speaking for free. Yes, you read that right. Initially, you might have to speak for free. This is your opportunity to build your portfolio, gain experience, and get your name out there. Offer to speak at local events, schools, or community gatherings. Step 8. Gather testimonials and build a portfolio. Every time you speak, ask for feedback and testimonials. Record your speeches whenever possible. These testimonials and recordings become part of your portfolio, which you can showcase to potential clients. Step 9. Pitch yourself. Now that you have experience in a portfolio, start pitching yourself. Reach out to conferences, corporations, universities, and any organization that might benefit from your speaking. Tailor your pitch to their needs and show them how your speaking can add value. Step 10. Set your speaking fees. As you gain more experience and recognition, you can start charging for your speaking engagements. Research what other speakers in your niche are charging. Your fees should reflect your experience, expertise, and the value you provide. Step 11. Keep learning and evolving. The learning never stops. Stay updated with the latest trends in your field, keep improving your skills, and always seek feedback. The best speakers are those who continuously evolve. Step 12. Give back. Last but not least, remember to give back. Share your knowledge, mentor upcoming speakers, and contribute to your community. The more you give, the more you grow. Becoming a successful motivational speaker is a journey filled with learning, growth, and immense satisfaction. It's not just about making money, but making a difference. So, go out there, share your message, and let your voice be heard.